Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Bhoopesh. Hope you're doing well. So today we'll be taking a very easy topic just to make a lighter session. We're not taking any complex topic today. So this is about how to run a job in Kubernetes cluster and how to run a cron job in Kubernetes cluster, because this is a very basic thing required for an automation perspective. So today we'll be looking into it and see how we can quickly find out and how we can run the job into the Kubernetes cluster. If you're not like and subscribe this channel, please do that, from the right hand side, so that you can see all the similar uh, videos related to Kubernetes or Grafana, or for that matter for other DevOps tutorials. Quickly, just to summarize what we have done in the recent past recap. So we have started with the architecture in the same playlist, the pod services deployment, and then we did deployment stateful set. We understood the RBAC, which is very, very important in Kubernetes, role-based access control. What is a daemon set, why it is used, what is persistent values and PVC, config map, secrets, and ingress controllers. Today we'll be just looking at the jobs and cron job example by ready-made YAML files, how to run pods using jobs, how to schedule pods using cron job, and how to run parallel jobs using parallel containers using jobs. So let's quickly see the practical example so that it becomes crystal clear. So I've created a again small page for the same GitHub page. You can simply clone this page and then run all the examples on your cluster. It can be any cluster. Perfect. So let's quickly see the documentation. A quick theory is also important. If we talk about the job is the one which will create pods and will continue with the retry execution until that is successfully terminated. The job successfully tracks your all successfully execution of pods and containers, and deleting a job will delete your pod, and it will everything will be cleaned up, and suspending a job will delete the active pods and it will be resumed again. Fine. So this is all about a quick theory. Let's create our first job into the Kubernetes with the help of examples. So I've created certain these example files in this job1.yaml. So what this job1.yaml is doing, I'm into that inside that examples folder. It is creating a job with the name called as py, and it will just pull in this image, okay, and then it will run a container just once. Okay, we have not specified any kind of completions keyword. It will just run a container, and we'll just run this command, this Perl command, and it will just print the py up till 2000 in decimal values. Okay, so let's quickly run this job. It will create a pod only for once. So what is the command to do that? I should go inside this examples folder, which I think I'm already there. Yeah, I'm already there inside this folder, and I should run this kubectl apply job1.yaml. Let me see, I'm onto which namespace. I'm into metrics namespace. Yes, perfect. So let me run this kubectl apply job1.yaml. Okay, the job has been created. I'll just do a checking tab, get job. So my first job has been created. I'll do kubectl get pods. Okay, so my pod has been executed only once because I've given only one instance. Let me see the log for this job, then pi. So this is the output of that job that has been executed only once. So I mean, crystal clear, simple. Now let's take another example of what this job 2 is doing. Okay, now job 2 is doing something similar. Let me just open this job 2 YAML file. Okay, the job 2 is doing the same thing with the name countdown. Okay, this is the specifications, metadata is the again specification of the container is name counter, image is pulling into the CentOS 7, and what are the command that it will run after pulling that container. It will just enable the bin bash. It will run a for loop from I equals to descending loop, and it will just print the values. As simple as that, as nothing more than simple that is. Let me go to that command. I'll just come here, run this second job. Okay, countdown has been created. So k get job again. I can see another countdown job is coming. I'll just do a kubectl get pods. Okay, this has been complete. K logs job countdown. See, the descending countdown has been printed. So again, this is printed. This execution has done only for once. Now let's see the other examples. I'm taking very easily, I mean slowly and easily, so that it becomes crystal clear what is a job and what is a cron job. Now there are certain scenarios where we don't want to run it instantly. We want to run proper schedule, something similar to cron job that we do in Linux server. So that is also possible using cron job, kind into the YAML file. I'll just open this job3.yaml. Now in this job3, you can see this is the name of the job and the kind is cron job. I can specify the schedule under spec options. So this is the schedule. So I'm saying run every day, every hour, every month of, and then I'm pulling a busybox image with the name hello, and I'm just typing, enabling this bin sh. This is the command, and I'm just typing hello from Kubernetes cluster. That's it. Nothing rocket science, but only thing I've added the schedule option in this. Now let me run this thing. Okay, so my job has been created. Now if I do a k get job, it will not show here because it is a cron job. So I'll do k get cron job. So now you can see the cron job has come up, and this is a schedule that is saying it is run every hour, every minute, every hour. So this is the every minute, every hour, every day of a month, at every month, and every day of a week. This is the cron job schedule that you can modify this. Suppose I want to run it for 13th of 13th of every month. Okay, so 00 13 is something, this one 13th, and then 5th is your Friday. So I'm saying it should run, must be started Friday at midnight, but we started every Friday at midnight. Okay. And 13th of each month also at midnight. Fine, so let's see whether every minute has been executed or not. Let me do a KGP. Yeah, you can see uh, this has been executed. Let me see the logs from this job. No, job not pod basically. Now you can see hello from Kubernetes also, and it has printed the datetime also. See, I'm printing that piece also in job 3. See, data is being printed. Fine, this is about job 3. Now let's see another example of running parallel jobs. So you can see job 4. Now you'll see additional features or additional keywords like completions and parallelism. So what I'm saying, please run this job 4 times in parallel. I mean, parallelism should be 2. So at an instance, 2 jobs should run quickly. Same thing will happen. Hello world will be printed, and this is the image that is getting folder. Let me run this job 4 also. Okay. Okay, get job. Now you can see 4 out of 4 completions have been done. I'll do a KGP. Now you can see 4 pods has been completed, and if I see the log from each pod, just give you the results. Fine. Now let me make some changes. Okay, get job. Let me delete this job, and you delete all the pods. Okay, delete job. Let me delete this job. Okay, fine. So I'll do KGB. Now all the hello world parallel job has been deleted. Now I'll do some changes to this just to make little bit simple. I just do parallelism commenting out and do this as 10. So I want to run this thing 10 times. Okay, so let me this piece again, apply 4. I'll do KGP. See, this is creating. So it will just create 10 pods one by one. So this is the beauty of creating the pods one by one. You can see k get job 10 times. The job has completed 10 times. Now let me make one more uh, parallelism. Let me make as 20, and it should run two jobs in parallel. Okay, let me just run this piece again. Okay, fine. So let me first of all delete this job. No problem, because it is immutable. K delete job. Okay, now this is deleted. I'll do kgp no pods. I'll just run this again. Now this has been created. So I'll do kgp. Now you can see every time two pods has been created. See, two pods pending. So this is the parallelism thing I was talking about. So in total it will create 20 pods. kgp. See, perfect. So that is what I want to explain, the basic scenarios of all creating jobs. I mean, you can create a simple job that runs on the ones, and you can create a scheduled job with the help of cron job. Okay, and then you can create parallel jobs with multiple counters and with multiple parallelism. And you can read more about it from kubernetes.io, website. So just to summarize, we quickly did all these things which are present on the screen. So I think that is pretty much for now. That was a very short and easy thing to understand job and cron jobs. Let us wrap up this video. Hope you like it. If you really want to get the similar kind of videos or sessions, you can simply like and subscribe the channel so that you can read more about Kubernetes playlist. There are a lot of things in under OpenTelemetry playlist. There are a lot of things under Grafana playlist. Do check out this channel. Okay, and I think let's wrap it up. See you. Thank you. Bye bye.